How to use the CropWater app on a smartphone or tablet. A simple way to track and calculate your watermark readings is by using the free UNL CropWater app that can easily be downloaded to any Apple or Android smartphone or tablet. It can be downloaded through the carrier's app store or by following these links on your iPhone or Android phones to download. This app has been developed to calculate the soil water that remains and/or has been used in your field. First, go into your phone's app store and search UNL CropWater or follow the links to download. After downloading, open the app. You will notice it offers a place to enter your field name and date. It also can track your current location by using the GPS services by pressing the purple arrow. Next, you will select your soil texture. The options for Nebraska soils listed are silty clay loam, silty loam, upland silt loam, bottomland silt loam, fine sandy loam, loamy sand, and fine sand. In this area around York County, the common soil texture is upland silt loam. After scrolling to your selected soil texture, you will enter your watermark sensor readings from 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, and 4 foot depths. Next, select the allowable water depletion percent. Normally, it will be 50%. Towards the end of the season, it may be at 60%, and if you are using a pour well on the field, 40% will be your best option. A new feature in this app is the last irrigation option that helps determine how much water the crop will need until it reaches maturity. This water can be irrigation water, rain, or moisture that is already in the soil. So, if this is the last irrigation, select Yes. Another box will appear showing your approximate days to maturity, predicted maturity date, and water requirement. First, select your crop, then select your crop's stage of growth. After this is all completed, select Calculate to receive your results. It will give you an average reading down to 4 feet as well as total water available, total water depleted at 1, 2, 3, and 4 feet, and percent depleted down to 4 feet. Now we will walk you through how to use the app using example numbers. We begin with entering our field name as York 1. Select our date and then GPS coordinates. Moving to our soil type, we selected upland silt loam. The following entry after soil type is to now select your number of sensors and enter the readings from each one at each depth. In our example, we are using 4 depths. At 1 foot, our reading was 60, 2 feet 50, 3 feet 30, and 4 feet 31. Once that is entered, we select 50% allowable depletion and select No as we are not entering last irrigation information. Now you will click Calculate and the results will appear. In this particular example, you will see the average reading down to 4 feet was 43. Total water depleted was 0.77 inches and the total water available is 3.63 inches. After receiving this information, you will notice there is a plus symbol in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on that will allow you to choose to add that reading to your history so you are able to go back and review your results from various other fields as well as keep a record of them. Once this is saved to your history, you are able to go to the Graphs section of the app, select the reading you want to see, and hit Go. Here we will select York 1 and the results will appear on the graph. The graph will allow you to chart your field's soil water status over time and show total soil water or capacity as well as levels remaining for each of the 4 depths. Now we will go back and show an example as if this was the last irrigation. After selecting Yes under Last Irrigations option, we now entered the crop as corn in stage R4 dough. After that, we will select Calculate to receive our readings. You can then follow the same process as mentioned before by saving this to your history and graphing your results. This app makes it much simpler to calculate and track the water remaining in a field, therefore helping producers know when it is suitable to pump water to irrigate the crops, thus improving irrigation efficiency. For more information about this app or the Nebraska Ag Water Management Network, contact Gary Zubik, UNL Extension Educator in York County.